My name is Elysia English, and over the past couple of weeks, I have been working on an extraordinary project. I have had the opportunity to build my very own studio space. I built one of Home Hardware's backyard packages. They have lots of packages available, like garages and sheds, decks and fences. I chose one of their 12 by 12 bunkie builds. I'm going to turn this into one of my dream studio spaces, and I'm so excited because I have just completed the build. The best thing about this project is it came with all of the plans free with purchase of materials, and so I didn't have any trouble building this my very own self as an all-woman build. Here's how. Building my first window, and I think it's really awesome that they give you such amazing plans. Using my plans, these come free with purchase of your materials. So I'm at the point now where I'm going to put in all of my wall studs and then my window sills to be able to get my very first window in place. So this is pretty exciting that we're going to be framing in where our window is going to go. I did it! I did it all by myself. The battle is real. Do you remember who you were before the universe told you who you should be? When I was a kid, I never fit in. Too energetic, too talkative, too overzealous. I knew I wasn't destined to follow the crowd. I craved creativity, success, and happiness. My ideas were big, but my reality was small. People called me out there. Yeah, I'm a little out there. But really, who is out there? She who thinks she can, or she who never tries? So I tried, and I tried, and I tried some more. And this became my truth. My failures made me wiser. My shortcomings made me stronger. And I am living proof that the only thing that's stopping me is me. So I won't.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong.
Wait, don't go. This series actually isn't done yet, so if you've been enjoying this series, you want to check out my playlist to see this project from start to finish. But the interior space still needs to be revealed, which is coming up later in this series. I'm actually working on my dream interior space for this studio, and I can't wait to show you everything I've been working on. If you've been enjoying this series, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future updates. I want to take a second to thank everyone who supported me during this all-woman build, especially Home Hardware. Home Hardware has been rising me up since the beginning of my journey, and it is because of their support that I was able to work on an extraordinary project like this. Thank you so much, Home Hardware, for always making my dreams come true. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you on the next update.
If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I'd known.